Good morning, welcome to this vlog. My name is Hannah. If you are new here, I make vlogs here on YouTube. I feel so funny pulling out my camera again because I haven't filmed since I was in Europe and I got home about 3 weeks ago now. So I've just been editing and uploading my Europe content for the past 3 weeks, and this is the first time I have filmed since then. So yeah, it is a Friday morning. I'm going on a little girls trip this weekend. And it's so funny as well because this type of trip is so different from what I was filming in Europe. In Europe, it was summer and so hot, and here in Sydney, it is winter, it is raining, it is so cold. So this is definitely a winter getaway. So I've got work off today. We're driving down to Kangaroo Valley, which is about a 2-hour drive out of Sydney, and we have the most beautiful Airbnb booked. I cannot wait to go and see it. It is so gorgeous, and the Airbnb host already messaged us asking what time we'll arrive because they'll get a fire ready for us when we get there, which is just the coziest thought ever. So can't wait to get there and yeah, sit by the fire. We're gonna get some snacks on the way, do a bit of grocery shopping. I think we're doing a little cheese board and pasta tonight. I'm meant to do a hike tomorrow, but because of the rain, I think we're not gonna be able to do it. If not, I'm sure we'll just be playing board games, which I just remembered I need to pack. I completely forgot. So lucky I was telling you guys. I'm gonna take categories. I think I'll take categories and banana grams. Yeah. Okay, I'll take those. But yeah, so tomorrow I think we'll just play board games, read, hang out, chat. Maybe, I think we're heading to the pub for lunch tomorrow, and then yeah, back on Sunday. So excited. I'm going with 3 of my friends. It was Lucy's birthday yesterday and she's coming, so we'll be doing a little birthday celebration for her as well. And then my other 2 friends, Ellen and Emma. So yeah, it's the 4 of us going and I'm so excited. We're driving to M's and then we're gonna be on our way. This is Lucy.
Oh, sorry, I have to blow that.
And this is Rat.
I don't know. This is little Rat.
This is Rat. We are ready to go.
Yay!
Em's driving us. We're just waiting for Lucy.
It's a pearler of a day.
Oh, it's gorge.
Oh, she's shaking.
So 1 aioli and 2 sweet and sour.
Yeah, and then can I please get a Coke Zero, just a medium.
Sorry, was that make chicken in a large meal?
Yummy. There you go, Lucy. Cheers. Cheers. Whoa.
G'day cunts, Lucy here and Rat. Not much to report really. In fact, I'm not sure why I picked the camera up and hit record, but what's going on in the world? Plenty. Much to think about actually. When you do stop to think about it, there is much to think about. Where do you start? I think that's all I need to say. Sit with that.
We have arrived at Kangaroo Valley. Cheers. Cheers.
It's so red.
I got the Brookvale pub raspberry soda, but it has vodka in it.
Felt hangover.
It's so good.
Is it yummy?
It's so good. Have a sip.
Drink out of a little cup. Stuck on the leg of the table.
She's cute, not bright.
No, she actually is.
Is that your stick? Is that your stick? A bit imbalanced there.
It is raining. It is raining. We just finished up at the pub. I got the schnitty. It was really good. And now we're gonna go, I think, do a grocery shop and then head to the Airbnb.
She's an hour. Okay. just no way that's staying there.
Whoa, negative. Oh, puddle.
Big puddle. Whoa, that'd be deep. Come in.
She's happy. She's shiny. Oh my goodness. Rat's making herself at home on the couch. We just got to the Airbnb. It is so cute. I'll do a little tour. Em's waving. It's the kitchen. It is huge. So nice. Yeah, we've got the fire on for us. Little lounge room. Isn't that just the most coziest thing you've ever seen? Little lounge. That's the spa out there, which looks onto the view. Oh, they've got a chessboard.
Yeah.
Dining table. Rat. Whoa!
Wowza!
Bathroom is so nice. Okay, I can't wait to have a shower in there. Are you kidding? What's clean? Oh, wow.
This is the cleanest Airbnb I've ever had.
So nice. One of the bedrooms. Oh, we can
Have a little hattie.
have matching hats. Not sure what that is.
I don't know who's
Bath salts. The other bedroom.
Where's the toilet?
And laundry. Oh yeah,
Toilet.
there's I'm not sure. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forgot there's an upstairs. Let's go have a look. Lead the way. Maybe.
Oh, it's padlocked.
Oh, okay. No upstairs for us. That's fine.
In my eye. Oh.
Well, try hard enough.
Okay, Ellen's on the tools. Wow.
So unnecessary.
We went to the general store and all they had was these pizzas, so yummy dinner.
Is one on the left.
Supreme apparently.
Broke. Looks like there's mints on there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Good morning. It is our second day here at the cabin. It is raining so much. It's crazy. But yeah, we just woke up. I had a shower. We're gonna make a coffee and then we need to decide what we're gonna do because everything is a half an hour drive away. The closest grocery store is half an hour drive away and the road is crazy and it's raining so heavy. So We need to get stuff to cook dinner tonight. We also want to go out for lunch today, and we want to go out and get coffees as well. So we'll see. Did you have a coffee, Melon?
Yeah.
Did you just have it black?
Yeah.
I want to go now. I'm going to make the problems.
Yeah.
What are you reading?
What am I reading?
Yeah.
First time caller. The daughter calls up this romance hotline for the mum because she's like, my mum's been single for so many years.
Right.
Like, I've never even seen her go on dates, but I feel like she's lonely.
Oh, right.
But they all end up being really shit and
Yeah.
like ghosting her.
Jesus,
And then
that's real
like,
life.
it's like slow burn between her and the host.
Surely. She's coming to rescue us. We're going out.
We're headed out.
We're the store.
Ellen's here to rescue us.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. Do you reckon?
Okay, you go. I'll get M.
Okay, okay, perfect. I'm wearing white pants and white shoes. Thoughts? Oh my goodness. Woo! My goodness.
It has to depend on like I could be so I have to fully prepare it. You might hate yelling. No, I'll go before the pot gets cold.
Yes.
It's funny how you just like
I fit that. I fit it.
Why did the kid take his bicycle to bed?
Why?
He didn't want to walk in his sleep.
Tell them this one. It's really good.
Oh, I lost the discus one.
No. Why athlete's really talkative?
Why? They've got a lot
lot
to
of-
discus.
No, you said it wrong again.
No, I didn't. Why are kangaroos good at basketball?
Hoops. Jumping hoops?
Wait,
They always make the jump shots.
Oh, nice.
Clever.
Yeah.
Why did the stupid tug of war team lose? They pushed. They like get taped
You see me raving to you?
Em is spoiling us. She's doing a slow cooked lamb.
Slow cooked 8-hour lamb shoulder.
So excited. But yeah, we just got back from brekkie in the grocery store. And we've decided we're not going to the pub for lunch. We're just gonna stay in, have some toasties, and then this will be our dinner. It is cute. Cheers, queen.
Yeah, I do want you to sit actually.
Hi guys. What's happening here? A little hair moment.
Little hair moment.
Little salon.
Oh, that's a good traveling.
That's why it's there. I cleaned it and I was using it already.
Oh, that's cute. That one's That was cute. Yeah.
Cheers. I bet like $50 she's not putting that in her vlog. Crumble on the top.
Yeah.
Good morning. I've just woken up. I did a bit of a tidy of everything. I'm gonna make a coffee and then just chill for a bit. Last night was really fun and wholesome. We were meant to go out to the pub last night, but because of the weather and the roads, we're not really going out as much as we initially planned to. So instead we decided to get ready and just stay in. But it was really fun. And yeah, so Em made that delicious lamb and it was so good, and it was so funny because she got a 2-kilo lamb and she was like, oh, there's gonna be so much left over, we can all take some home. And we ate it all. I'm gonna make a coffee. The plan for today is we're gonna go separate ways. Emma and Lucy are going to Lucy's mum's place, which is only about an hour drive from here, and they're staying away for another night. And then Elle and I are gonna head back to Sydney today, but we're going via Bowral. So Elle wants to check out some of the really cute vintage antique furniture stores because there's a few there. So yeah, we're gonna do that on the way home and probably get some lunch and some coffee. So I'll film bits and pieces of that as well. Eggs and bacon.
Ellen caught on fire.
Ellen caught on fire. She went to put the eggs in to boil them.
Let's look at your things actually working.
Really quick
I'm not
though.
worried.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's ruined.
No, well,
No.
it was like immediately I was like, oh!
Yeah, I didn't know what was going on.
She put the eggs in the boil and her jumper lit on fire. Oh,
yeah.
dancing.
Yeah.
On her first.
Yeah, that's killing me now.
We got a coffee and we're in Dirty Jane's now, which is like an old antique store. It's really, really cool. Elle's eyeing these little fish plates. They are so cute. We stopped at Sonoma in Bowral. We both got a pork and fennel sausage roll. It's really yummy. It's relish. I'm still in the same jumper because it is still freezing and rainy and miserable, but I thought I would end off this vlog here. I had such a nice trip with my friends, but yeah, back in Sydney now, so I'm actually heading into the office this morning and then I'll come home and start editing this video, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.